hear that? That's the fan. Lights on it so you can see. The bearings are shot in the fan. You can hear it. And on max speed, it should be a lot more air than that. It's hardly any air, it's hardly barely moving. Seems like the bearings are just gone in it. It's shutting off practically right now. Yeah, there's no air coming out of these vents. And that's not normal. Functions the same whether on range mode or not. You can hear there's no air coming out of these vents. In order to get some air, maybe it comes on. It's not even, sometimes there's a delay. There, eventually it pops on, but that's not normal. There's no air coming out. It's barely spinning.